has been increasing day by day, and the nearest seaport, Chittagong, is very soon going to be connected.
Tripura, Minister of Industries.
You mind to please stand up once and put our hands together for Team ISRO. Please, everyone. बैठेंगे, बातें करेंगे. वही हमारी ख्वाहिश थी. खैर चंदा तो नहीं आए, लेकिन हम चंदा तक पहुंच गए. This is a very beautiful plant. May I request Honorable Chief Minister sir, sir, would you please mind to take this to World Bank. World Bank is extending their helping hand. ISRO has made it possible. We have made it.
Even Bangladesh is very nearby. You know, from the tree, there are different kinds of trees we have, and from the bamboo has been shifted. Now it is not come under tree, so bamboo industry has been developed here, and because of to promote this agar sector, agar has been included in the list of trees for which felling permission from non-forest land is not required. Previously, it was this to cut or to take or to this felling permission had been taken from the forest department. But as because it is in the private land, it has these are grown, so therefore it is not taken the permission from the forest department. Then agar tree registration process also has been simplified. Very simple, because ease of doing, you know, our Honorable Prime Minister says, so in that line we are also making it very simple, and this quota for export of agar wood has been notified, what I already have said. Then what I earlier tried to tell you, that bamboo has been excluded for the requirement of transit permit for transportation throughout the state. Not only that, emphasis has been given over the past few years for plantation of commercially important bamboo species to enhance the resource base for proliferation of bamboo sector industry in the state. You will be glad to know that as because the bamboos are plenty, we have 29 types of bamboo in Tripura, and out of these some of them are very useful and they are very good in nature. So by using this bamboo, we have agarbatti sector in Tripura, and we have, besides this reduction of bamboo waste and development of other byproducts such as bamboo briquettes and activated charcoal, etc., has been developed here. Here, the Tripura Nature Trails and Resource Limited has been notified. I don't know whether they have come here. So to promote eco-tourism in the state of Tripura, and this company will help promote special tourism packages and improve the facilities at Shipaijola district and Gumuti wildlife sanctuaries. So the project element, regarding element also, it has been discussed here. The project element with the loan component of up to $172 million from the World Bank will give further impetus to the forestry sector in the state and boost the overall economic development of the people of the state. And for this, I want to thank you, the World Bank specialist. It aims to reduce forest degradation by motivating communities to wisely manage forest resources and reduce the pressure of forest degradation from unsustainable resources use. Further, you know, the June cultivation was have been doing for a long time here. So through this project, so this June cultivation also will be reduced for alternative farming, and that will reduce the negative pressure on forest resources and vulnerability to soil erosion. The present roundtable conference is I think it is an initiative to provide a platform to various stakeholders from the industry working in the MFP sector to discuss the various issues and way forward for the development of these sectors in the state. I extend a warm welcome to all the entrepreneurs and industrialists who are gathered here today, and assure them that all possible help and support from the state government side so that they may set up their units in Tripura. I am sure that the industries department will also inform the participants regarding the incentives available for them in our state and convince them in this regard. I look forward for the successful outcome of this roundtable conference and investment in different sectors in the state for the overall economic development and prosperity of the people of the state of Tripura. Thank you very much. With this and in view, I conclude my speech. Thank you very much.
सेक्टर से आए हुए गेस्ट को मैं यही बोलूँगी कि लॉन्ग टाइम से हमारा स्टेट में सिर्फ लोग बोलते हैं कि इंडस्ट्री लगाना है, इंडस्ट्री नहीं है, तो हम कोशिश में है। हमारा चीफ मिनिस्टर प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर मानिक शाह जी नेतृत्व में हम कोशिश में है कि त्रिपुरा में हम इंडस्ट्री लगाएंगे। तो इसीलिए मौका मिला है कि आप यहाँ आए हुए हैं। जितना भी आप अलग अलग सेक्टर से आए हुए सबको मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूँगी कि आप हमारा स्टेट में आप कुछ ना कुछ लगाइए। आपको भी हमारा स्टेट बहुत सुंदर है देखने में भी, और आप इन्वेस्ट करेंगे, हम हमारा तरफ से हम जितना संभव हो हम कोशिश करेंगे, और कोई भी दिक्कत होगा तो आप हमारे साथ हमारा डिपार्टमेंट के साथ बात कर सकते हैं। तो कल भी मीटिंग है, इस मीटिंग में डिटेल्स डिस्कशन होगा। तो हमारा चीफ मिनिस्टर जी यहाँ पे हैं, उन्होंने डिस्कशन करेंगे, और ज़्यादा नहीं बोलते हुए मेरा वाणी यहाँ पे विराम देता हूँ। सबको
But I think, I don't know, most probably tomorrow you will have. So anyway, to come, and really I am very glad to be a part of this round table on forest and agroforest value chain development program. Already my previous speakers have talked about the aims and objectives of this roundtable program. So far this Tripura is concerned, you know, several times when I have been invited to participate for investors meet and all these things, the G20 science meet and all. Then now I come here and participated, but it should be turned into reality. Just merely coming over here and participating the events, if you go and if you are not visible next time, then it is useless, I think. Because so many people come. But I want immediate this return from you. Because this government is ready to help you out. We have incentives, so many incentives we have. We have our policy, agro policy, so many policies already mentioned here. So we want, our Honorable Minister also said that we want Atmanirbhar Tripura. Our Honorable Prime Minister says Atmanirbhar Bharat, and we say that Atmanirbhar Tripura. And for that, for a long time, there was no communication. Now there is no problem. Our Honorable Prime Minister has given us Hira model. You know what is Hira model? National highway. High means highway. H for highway. Then we have this internet, third strongest internet gateway in Tripura. Then railway, 12 express trains are going now. We never have thought of that we will have this kind of broad gauge railway in Tripura. Every day from here, even Rajdhani is going there, from here to Delhi. So we have 12 this express trains, intercity trains, then local trains. Then we have this airport, you must have seen. This airport, it is supposed to be the best one in northeastern region. We due respect to other states, the northeast. Even I think some of the other states also, it is comparable. So we are proud of this, and these are all because of our blessings of our Honorable Prime Minister. Today also what we happened, we are all happy today. We clapped, and on the same day, we are also, here we are organizing this event. So, and until unless we are devotee to our soil, to our motherland, we cannot go ahead. And this task has been carried out under the leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister.
एक ताली तो बनता है.
Connectivity to the Bangladesh has been increasing day by day, and the nearest seaport, Chittagong, is very soon going to be connected.
Tripura, Minister of Industries,
You mind to please stand up once and put our hands together for Team ISRO. Please, everyone. बैठेंगे, बातें करेंगे. वही हमारी ख्वाहिश थी. खैर चंदा तो नहीं आए, लेकिन हम चंदा तक पहुंच गए.